Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install EV charging logging using Home Assistant step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have Home Assistant installed and running on your device. Navigate to the Home Assistant interface using your web browser. Go to the sidebar and click on Supervisor. From the Supervisor page, select the Add-on Store option. In the Add-on Store, search for ESP Home. Click on the ESP Home add-on to open its details page. Press the Install button to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, set the add-on to start automatically. Next, click on the Configuration tab within the ESP Home add-on. In the Configuration section, locate the YAML Configuration Editor. Create a new ESP Home device configuration for your EV charger. Define the platform, extensive sensor options, and logging parameters as per your requirements. After finishing the configuration, press Save. Visit the main ESP Home dashboard to upload the new configuration to your device. Ensure your ESP device is connected and powered. Click the Upload button next to your device name. Once the upload completes, click on Access Web UI to open your device dashboard. Next, return to the Home Assistant main interface. Click on Configuration in the sidebar, then select Integrations. Search for the ESP Home integration and click on it. Enter the IP address of your ESP device in the provided field. Press Submit to integrate with your Home Assistant setup. Home Assistant will automatically discover the sensors from your EV charger. Now, you can go to the Overview section to visualize the charging data in real time. To create a log of your EV charging sessions, go to Automations in the Configuration menu. Set up a new automation that triggers on charging events from your EV charger. Define the action to log data to the Home Assistant database. You can customize how often you want to log this data based on X or Y interval. Once your automation is complete, save your changes. Now, monitor the charging sessions through your dashboard. Adjust your settings or create additional automations as needed. Congratulations, you have successfully set up EV charging logging using Home Assistant. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.